question about it. It'll be that way for the next several hours as well. Now, Mike Wonka, I want to reassure you, he is working full time on this whole coastal situation. We know the high tide is right now. I'm going to focus on the snow and wind for the moment. These were snowfall reports, let's say about a half hour ago. But remember, it's snowing 1 to 3 inches per hour. Some very late reports just in the last moment or two. Attleboro's up to 8 inches. Millis is up to 7.5. They've had 2.5 in the last 2 hours. So we're in 1 to 3 inch snowfall rates. Now, here's a look, and you could see from Maine right on down through all of Massachusetts, down to the Jersey coast. This is it. When we talk about a coastal storm, an ocean storm, and the strongest effects near the coast, that's what we're experiencing right now. And this storm, you've heard the word bombogenesis, which means the storm has to drop dramatically in pressure over a 24-hour period. This has so far exceeded the criteria for that. So this is like a super bombogenesis situation. In other words, a very intense storm that intensified very rapidly. That's how you get super strong winds. And of course, there's moisture as well with this. So we've got the double whammy, and then the coastal situation makes it the triple whammy. Here's a look at the visibilities right now. Look at Beverly near zero. So there are close to or whiteout conditions within the area, but a lot of quarter-mile visibility. Look at the range of this. We're talking, that's an eighth of a mile, Portsmouth, New Hampshire. But just look at the quarter-mile visibility. It's everywhere. So yes, there are some snow bands that are heavier than others, but everybody is getting at least moderate, if not heavy snow, with very strong winds to boot. The visibility higher on Hyannis and Nantucket because it's raining there. And so that rain-snow line is very close to the Cape Cod Canal. I think east of Hyannis, it's going to take a few more hours to flip, so the amounts will be somewhat less. But even in southeastern Massachusetts, some areas where starters rain and flip to snow, it's just snowing so hard that it's piling up very, very quickly. And you could clearly see from Cape Ann down to Boston, down to Weymouth, this is a very intense band of snow indeed. Another very intense band is out across the western part of the state. But in between, it's still snowing and accumulating steadily. So we take you hour by hour, always keeping in mind that what we're dealing with is 1 to 3 inch per hour snowfall rates. The taper off will begin between 5 and 8 p.m., but in western New England first, and near the coast, more like 8 p.m., ending a little bit after that, with the powerful northeast winds along the coast slowly working their way around to north and northwest. But you see the heaviest bands staying from Worcester to eastern Massachusetts, but still snowing significantly off to the west. Then you're going to start to see the colors lighten up a little bit after 5 o'clock and start to get some breaks in the pattern at 6 or 7. And then the storm will be far enough away so that we'll be down to just flurries by, say, about 9 o'clock tonight. But the visibility is another way to show you. Now, this is kind of rounded off that it's near zero right now. And that's why, of course, we have near or blizzard conditions going on. Look at the hour-by-hour plot on this and notice how it does not change over the next 3 hours. So that is very heavy snow. And if you take 1 to 3 inches per hour and just average it as 2 inches, you get another half a foot in just the next 3 hours. That's what you call crunch time. That's what you call the peak of the storm. And then the visibility will come up in western portions first. Eventually, you see how Worcester's up to like 7 miles by the time we get to 6:30, but it's still a mile on the coast. And then it finally moves east and the visibilities pick up. By the way, Nantucket gets down to low visibility for a couple of hours at the end of the storm with a burst of heavy snow. Other thing going on Cape Cod, those of you that are still raining and waiting for a flip, you may be involved with a flash freeze, and then slush is going to freeze solid. There's so many issues. Here are the total snowfall amounts to expect with this storm. Notice the tapering off sharply east of Hyannis, particularly Chatham and Nantucket. Some of the wind gusts already reported, and some of the wind gusts that we have right now, gusting to 51 at Block Island, 55 in Provincetown, 45 in Worcester. And these powerful winds are staying with us all day and on into tonight. Tomorrow, strong winds will be as Arctic air moves in, and it is a wicked cold air mass that is going to be moving in. This shows you the power outage risk, which is everywhere, but Cape Ann, southeastern Mass, and the Cape, the strongest risk of additional power outages. So much to follow, and of course, you're seeing on the split screen coverage, we're